What would you do to solve this problem? In order to solve this problem, we are going to use U-substitution. The idea of this video is for you to understand how to use U-substitution.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.
Let's say U is x squared plus 3. What would be the derivative of U? It would be 2x. Now, let's write it in terms of dx. Dx would be du over 2x. So if u is x squared plus 3, if you write it in terms of x squared, you are going to get x squared will be equal to u minus 3. Now, you put your things together. What you need to do is to substitute them into the whole equation before you do any integration. So the point is to make the whole process easier for you. Instead of doing expansion, we can lead you to answers that you're not sure of. U-substitution is good because the answer you get gives you like 90% of confidence. Now, let's substitute these things. It's going to be x raised to the power 5, and since x squared plus 3 is u, we're going to put u here, raised to the power 4 dx. Alright, now we are going to substitute dx. It's going to be x raised to the power 5, u raised to the power 4, and dx is du out of 2x. Let's simplify. X will go with 1x here, and we're going to remain with x raised to the power 4, u raised to the power 4, du out of 2. So what do we do here? We know that x squared is equal to u minus 3. If that is the case, then we're going to find a way to get where we're going to put our x squared, which is u minus 3. And in this equation, x raised to the power 4 is the same as x squared times x squared. So it's going to be u is u minus 3. And since it is x raised to the power 4, we have 2x squares is going to be u minus 3 times u minus 3, and then we put our u raised to the power 4 du out of 2. What you need to do is to open the brackets. So when you open these two brackets, you're going to get u squared minus 6u plus 9. And then you have u raised to the power 4 outside, du out of 2. Now the next thing to do is to put this u raised to the power 4 inside. And when you multiply u raised to the power 4 and u square, you are going to get u raised to the power 6, because when you multiply, you add the powers. Minus 6u raised to the power 5 plus 9u raised to the power 4 du over 2. Now du out of 2 is just the same as 1 out of 2 du. So it is just a half du. And if it is so, we can put a half here. And then we open our bracket, u raised to the power 6 minus 6 u raised to the power 5 plus 9 u raised to the power 4 du. Now at this point we can integrate. It's going to be a half integral u raised to the power 6 plus 1 out of 6 plus 1 minus 6u raised to the power 5 plus 1 out of 5 plus 1 plus 9u raised to the power 4 plus 1 out of 4 plus 1 du. Now our integral will be 1 out of 2 u raised to the power 7 out of 7 minus 6u raised to the power 6 out of 6 plus 9u raised to the power 5 out of 5 du. So you can simplify this. This 6 will go with this 6, and you're going to get 1 out of 2 u raised to the power 7 out of 7 minus u raised to the power 6 plus 9 u raised to the power 5 out of 5 du. Substitute the value of u. We know that the value of u is u, which is x squared minus 3. X squared plus 3. This one is the value of u. That means wherever there is u in this function, we are going to put x squared plus 3. It's going to be 1 out of 2 x squared plus 3 raised to the power 7 out of 7 minus x squared plus 3 raised to the power 6 plus 9 x squared plus 3 raised to the power 5 out of 5 du. And you can pretty much stop here. Now let me give you an exercise that you can do to understand whether you have fully grasped the concept of U-substitution. I have a video for this exercise. When you are done doing it, go and watch the video to see if you get it right. So before you watch the video, it's recommended that you first of all try the number. So the problem is here, x raised to the power 3, open bracket, x squared minus 1 raised to the power 5 dx. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos.